Have a look at this giant rosemary plant. This is Wendy Demerick from Herbal Medicine Secrets, and today's herb hack, we're talking to Dorothy, and Lee's also here, but he doesn't want to be a rock star, so he's kept out of the video. So Dorothy, you're at Corryong.
Yes.
I'm just amazed at how big your rosemary is.
Well, apparently Corryong's a great area for growing everything, particularly herbs, because they seem to grow larger and bigger and nicer. And they smell divine.
Okay, so anyone not in Australia, Corryong's in a beautiful little valley amongst the foot of the snowy mountains near the New South Wales border.
Yeah, Kosciuszko. It's a foot of Kosciuszko, yeah.
Okay, so Dorothy's one of our Herbal Medicine Secrets Foundation course students. And this is Dorothy's first deliberate plant medicine garden. Yeah. What else have you got in it?
I've got bit of thyme on down lower, of course. Everything's overshadowed by the rosemary, of course, but I've got rosemary, thyme, sage, parsley, and basil, perennial basil. It grows all year round.
Okay, where does your love of plant medicine come from?
Well, I've been interested in herbs and that for quite some time, and always interested in what certain herbs do and how it affects you. And then I've met Wendy and I thought, oh, here's an idea to further the education, so this is why I'm doing it.
Okay, and how have you found the Herbal Medicine Secrets course so far?
I love it. It's good. It's very easy to understand, and it does herb by herb rather than all thrown in together, so you can sort of get an understanding of what herbs are what and what they're used for, and Christopher's botanical side of it's also very interesting.
Oh, okay. Well, that's really great. So what are you going to plant next?
I'm going to plant some calendulas and some comfrey, but I've got to get my garden organised first.
Okay. So we have the No Dig Garden in a Day course as well. So that's handy because you don't have to dig. It's so much easier.
Yes, I saw that, yes.
Well, Dorothy, thank you for showing us your first real medicine herb patch. I think we should go and have a garden tea now.
Yes.
So we might pick some of your rosemary and some of your mint and have a refreshing tea. What do you think?
Yes, why not?
We might even force Lee to have some.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
Okay, signing out from Corryong in Victoria.
Bye.